Whether you play on a newer Xbox Series X or Series S console, or are still rocking with your trusty Xbox One, buying an Xbox headset isn't always easy. Microsoft's consoles require a proprietary connection and don't work natively with Bluetooth, meaning your choices are often limited compared to PC and PlayStation players. Fortunately, we're here to do the legwork. If you just want the best performing Xbox headset we've tested, Chief, check out the Turtle Beach Recon 500. This planar magnetic equipped headset delivers knockout audio performance, easily doubling as a svelte gaming headset and awesome headphones. Of course, they also aren't for everyone, which is why you should browse our full list of great Xbox headsets here. Number 1. HyperX Cloud X Stinger Core. If there's a clear runner-up to the best value category, it's this official Xbox headset from HyperX. The Cloud X Stinger Core lives right in the Xbox wireless headset's price range, and nets you HyperX's cushy memory foam ear cups, subtly balanced, robust audio quality, and one of the best Xbox headset microphones we tested in 2021. So why isn't the Stinger Core our pick for best value? It's a lack of flexibility. Not only is there no way to tune or tinker with it in the Xbox Accessories app, all you can do is check your battery level, but you also don't get Bluetooth connectivity as you do with the Xbox wireless headset, meaning the HyperX Cloud X Stinger Core, which connects over 2.4 or 5.0 GHz to your Xbox, is truly Xbox only. The good news is that if all you need is an Xbox headset, rather than something that might double as mobile headphones or a meeting headset, the Stinger Core delivers comfort, very solid sound quality, and an excellent microphone, exuding maximum value in its single-use case. Number 2. Turtle Beach Recon 500. If you don't need a wire-free gaming existence, especially if you're a multi-platform gamer, the Turtle Beach Recon 500 is a comfortable, cross-platform option that simply plugs into whatever you're playing on: Xbox, PC, PS5, Switch, laptop, or mobile devices. During our time with the Recon 500, we found that it checks off a lot of the necessary boxes, and only exhibits a couple of fairly minor flaws. The boom on the microphone is a bit on the inflexible side and features a hard-to-find mute button. And if you like to game with others a lot, you may find the lack of a dedicated game/chat volume control frustrating. The Recon 500 only allows for 1 degree of volume control, meaning any game/chat balancing you do will have to be done in console or software menus. However, the Recon 500 is still a great choice if you just want something simple and effective that plugs right into your Xbox controller and a ton of other devices. It's one of the best entry-level options we've tried, and its multi-platform flexibility promises a lot of value. Number 3. Razer Barracuda X. Another great choice for multi-platform gamers, Razer's Barracuda X may be a better choice for gamers who primarily play on PC or PS5 but enjoy a little Xbox here and there, or are Game Pass subscribers but don't own Xbox hardware. Razer has designed the Barracuda X with ease of use at the forefront of its design. The headset includes a small USB-C transceiver that you can plug into your phone, tablet, PS5, or other device. Just power up the Barracuda X and you're good to go. Of course, it's also entirely possible to use this headset passively via the included 3.5mm cable, allowing it to function smoothly with a whole host of legacy devices as well. With up to 24 hours of battery life, a detachable cardioid microphone, an understated design, for Razer headsets, anyway, and a very light 250-gram weight, the Barracuda X is designed for the holistic gamer who wants a consistent listening and chatting experience across a wide variety of devices. This one's another that also easily doubles as headphones, since you can pop the microphone off and plug the USB-C transceiver into your phone for listening and gaming on the go. Number 4. SteelSeries Arctis 3. The entry model in SteelSeries' new Arctis lineup, the Arctis 3, is a comfortable, great-sounding headset that has the look and style of snowboarding gear. I went with the Arctis 3 over the Arctis 5 and 7 because each of the higher-end models has features that you'll pay a premium for, that don't work with the Xbox. But what you lose in features you more than make up for in design and performance. The entire headset is soft and comfortable and fits snugly without being overbearing. The audio on the Arctis 3s isn't anything revolutionary, but if you're a casual gamer who just wants a bit more of an intimate experience, these get the job done and then some. I was also a big fan of the easy-to-use ear cup controls and retractable mic that allowed me to chat and goof off with my friends online and then easily mute myself while my roommates asked me a question. Overall, they're a great headset that you won't be embarrassed to use away from your gaming couch, and for some, that's all you need. Number 5. Xbox Wireless Headset. The Xbox Wireless Headset is easily the most popular Xbox headset around right now, and for good reason. This official wireless headset is manufactured by Microsoft, the company that makes Xbox consoles, meaning it integrates seamlessly with Xbox One and Xbox Series 10 vertical bar S consoles, allowing users a high degree of control and customizability right from the Xbox accessories menu. The design here is also wholly unique to Microsoft, borrowing the Surface dial first showcased on the Microsoft Surface headphones, which allows the user to twist the left and right ear cups to make adjustments. In the case of the Xbox wireless headset, this makes for an intuitive and easy way to adjust volume, twist the left cup, and game/chat balance, twist the right cup. It also makes for a very unique headset design. It's only on the Xbox wireless headset you'll get perfectly circular ear cups. This headset is also fitted with a good amount of band and cup padding, making it comfortable to wear through numerous rounds of big team battle in Halo Infinite.